Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 5th of May, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders in real time through live intraday analysis and bank beautiful pips and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis updates, feel free to subscribe my channel. And just before that, recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, as you can see here in 4-hour, we haven't seen big moves, but we managed a bank beautiful few pips when the price broke on this wedge. And as soon as the price hit this level, support level, as you can see here, we bank beautiful pips. And even if you look at the intraday, we have this breakout this morning, and that's the area we bank some profit. And another analysis are still valid. We haven't seen this breakout, so you're watching it. And if I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at we had only one trade this morning, and that is the breakout short trade. As you can see here, price break on this one. As soon as the price hit and the sub 4-hour, we bank few pips on EURUSD, and afterwards price is consolidating. Even if you look at the 4-hour, you can see here descending triangle pattern is developed. So we're still looking. Let's see if the price gonna respect this daily support and break this wedge, then probably gonna be taking tomorrow long. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Another possibility, price might gonna develop a pullback short trade here. We'll let you know tomorrow. But we had only one short trade on EURUSD, guys. Let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, if you look at in 4-hour, we had only few trades, very small trades, which eventually we came out at the break even. But as you can see here, we are looking the price to break the structure. We'll let you know tomorrow if the price is going to. You can see here, this candle is a neutral. We haven't seen any good sign. Even if you look at here, consolidation, we haven't seen any good trades, but we managed a few pippies. Let me share with you the intraday. If you look at here, okay, so this is the analysis we did in the morning. We had this breakout pullback, technically pullback. We had a nice trade pullback, bank few pips, only few pips, and afterwards, as you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the level, we came out at the break even. We were expecting some big move, but as you can see, price came back. And then afterwards, we did another analysis. We said the price developed a double top, so possibility if the price gonna break the previous low, we're gonna take a short trade. That's what we did. And as soon as the price hit to this support level, which you can see here, price respected twice, and that's the level we explained to our trader. It's time to consider moving a stop loss at the break even, which eventually we came out of the break even. So technically we haven't seen any good moves in pound dollar, but as you can see, we have small short and one long and one short trade, but we came out at the break even. That's the market condition we had it today. Right, so the best trade we had it in dollar CAD. If I show you an Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar, if I show you the dollar CAD, you can see here the previous price action yesterday. As I said to you, we have these two candles give us the significant information for short, and after this candle, you can see here bearish inside candle pattern. We had this short trade. As soon as I find this pattern, I broadcast that information instantly. We had a short trade, we had a pullback short trade, and the last trade we had it the New York session bank few pips. And let me share with you guys. You can see here we had such a beautiful this breakout, and after the breakout we have this morning pullback, and we have another pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the support level, we bank some profit on dollar CAD. And let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at here, this is the analysis. As soon as the price was at this level in 4-hour, and this breakout, because the previous price action give us in 4-hour rejection. And even if you look at the intraday, double top has been developed exactly in 4-hour. The safest trade would be to break out if the price gonna break the previous low, which is nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the first target, which is the fib channel, and we announced to bank some profit. That was the first trade we had it. And afterwards we had it another. This was the analysis at the London morning session. You can see it just before London open. We already had this breakout and bank some profit exactly. And afterwards, exactly as always, after the breakout, pull back short. You can see a beautiful pullback and bank few more pips on dollar CAD. And at the New York session, we had another pullback. As always said to you guys, follow them. If you look at the bottom, momentum bearish. If you look at here, we had a nicely rejection, bullish rejection in 4 hour. We had this breakout. After the breakout, based on the momentum, pullback. And at the New York session, another pullback and beautiful pips, as you can see, based on the momentum. So we had a beautiful trades, especially we managed to bend beautiful pips on dollar CAD today, guys. That was the best trade of the day today. All right, so we also had a couple of good trades on Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys. You can see here, if I show you the Aussie dollar bigger picture, we had this as soon as the price respected this level in 4 hour, this level. So we have taken a long trade here and pull back long, as you can see here. Let me share. You can see here such a nice big move. We have this pullback after the breakout, this pullback, and at the New York session we have this pullback long here. So let me share with you guys the 4 hour chart. And if you look at here, we had a beautiful this morning, London morning, we had this beautiful pullback long based on the analysis, and that was a beautiful price, nicely respected this level. You can see here, look at the bottom, momentum bullish. As soon as the price hits to the first VIP channel, we announced to bank some profit. And at the New York session, that's what we explained to trader, look for another pullback, which is basically, you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback, respected this orange EMA, and beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the first target, which is again fib channel, bank beautiful pips. When the price hit to the resistance level, as you can see in 4 hour, that's we announced time to bank some profit or consider tightening your stop loss. So we had an amazing trades on Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, and the dollar CAD. If I show you the Kiwi dollar, you can see here, and if I show you the intraday, you can see here, beautiful. Can see here exactly this, more or less the same in Aussie dollar, pullback long, and then we had another pullback long on at the New York session. So you can see we had such amazing trade, especially on dollar CAD today. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live ID commentary support alongside with the 4 hour analysis, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis, so they can develop their trading skill in real time. And once we see that they have developed their trading skill, we can open door for them for funding, so we can arrange trading funds for them. So if you are more interested about how we train and coach through live intraday analysis in real time, how we fund our traders, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. The availability link is also given in the video description. And even if you are experienced trader, guys, you have seen this is purely price action trading. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy banking pips alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.